My name is Christophe. I come from France, small village in Burgundy, in the east part of France. And I've been living in China for 12 years and 10 years in Guangzhou. I'm the founder with my wife of Perma Bakery, and we are happy to give bread to Guangzhou people. My wife is Chinese from Guangzhou, so that's the main reason for me to be here. She was studying in France actually, in the city where I used to live, I used to grow. And nearby the place I was working as a baker. That's how we met, the first meeting, and that's how it happened. And then we decided to go back to China. She was willing to go back. I used to live in other countries before, so for me it was not a big problem. And I found like quite challenging, interesting to go and try how was China. The French customer go to the bakery for daily purchase of bread because they eat bread every day. Here we can find this kind of customer, even the Chinese customer, using the bread as a daily food. But most of the people, they want to come to have an experience of drinking coffee, having dessert, eating a croissant. And so you need to have like space to sit, and you need to give an atmosphere. I think what we found recently is the connection, we have more and more connection with the local farmers and local people working in the countryside they produce some ingredients like very specifically. And I think that's the future project, is to go into that direction and develop more of this connection with these people, because they are doing a good job on trying to develop like natural things. Yeah, I hope that we have more and more people get connection with the countryside and explore the local tradition and knowledge. That's always interesting.